Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 1. Which of the following methods is used in separating a mixture of ethanol and water from palm wine? A. Crystallization, B. Decantation, C. Filtration, D. Fractional distillation, E. Precipitation. So you have a list here of some separation techniques amongst the options, and you are asked for the one which is best used in separating a mixture of ethanol and water from palm wine. So let's take a look at what each of the separation techniques are used for, or their basis of operation. Now, crystallization is used to separate solutes or salts that readily decompose on heating from their solutions. Option B, which is decantation, is used to separate a mixture containing a solid and liquid portions, which separate into two distinct layers on standing. Option C, which is filtration, involves use of a porous material such as filter paper to separate insoluble particles from liquids. Option D, fractional distillation, is used to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids, that is, liquids that mix. And lastly, option E, precipitation, is used to separate a solute from a solution using its difference in solubility. In two different miscible liquids. Okay, so from this now, the mixture of ethanol and water and palm wine are all miscible liquids. Ethanol and water are miscible liquids. So the best, or the separation technique we described that can be used to separate miscible liquids, a mixture of miscible liquids, is option D, fractional distillation, used to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids. So option D, fractional distillation, is the best method that can be employed in separating a mixture of ethanol and water from palm wine. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.